Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, thrift store flips, clearance finds, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. I want to thank you for joining me this evening and say welcome. I'm going to share with you guys all the awesome stuff that I found at Vintage Market Days of Northern Utah up in Cache County and Logan, Utah, that I went to a couple weeks ago with my mom and my daughter. I posted a picture of us there on my community tab, and you guys had mentioned you wanted to see what goodies I found, so I'm going to share them with you. I also want to let you guys know that some of the companies that I share with you, I will put their links to shop with them in the description box below, so you can go check them out yourself. So I want to start off with my favorite find ever, and it is this. It is a super cool vintage marmalade crock. Like, look at how gorgeous that is. Like, bring it in so you guys can see. These are becoming super popular these days. I display mine with my grandmother's silverware. Oi, I'm tired. So my mom, when she came out to visit me, brought me some of my grandmother's silverware from her silver collection. So I put the pieces in here and I display it on my mantle. I absolutely love it. This was a splurge for me because I've been wanting one for months and months and months. It was $60. I did have a $20 gift certificate to spend at the market, so it really technically only made it $40 for me. But I absolutely love it. Let me know, do you guys collect vintage crockery? Do you guys know the marmalade crocks, what I'm talking about? I think it's gorgeous. So I'm going to do my antique vintage stuff first, and then I'll do my newer stuff next. Another item I got was this vintage looking scale. Sadly, it is not vintage. If I would have picked it up and looked at it, on the inside, you can tell it's not. So it probably came from TJ Maxx, and she probably got it at a yard sale and sold it, but whatever. It was $24.99 or $25, and I've been wanting one, and it matches my kitchen perfectly. And then my last vintage item is a big one. Something else that's been on my wish list for a very long time, and that is one of these. Look at how cool this is. It is a giant crock. It is a 3-gallon crock. Look at how big it is. It has the vintage crown on there with the 3 for 3 gallons. So this was another splurge for me, but Vintage Market Days doesn't happen all the time, so I save up a little bit of money before I go. This was $60 as well. This is actually a really good deal because crocks like this, I saw one that was a 1-gallon crock, so it would have been really small, and it was on Facebook Marketplace for $60. And I got this big one for $60. So big crocks like this have been selling for $75 and up. So to find one for $60, I thought was a really good deal. So this sits next to my fireplace downstairs with vintage rolling pins that I get from my local thrift store inside. Okay, so honestly, I think that's all the vintage stuff that I bought. So we'll move on to the newer stuff. So one of the first things I want to share with you guys is this. Look at this gorgeous blanket. And look at how pretty it is. These blankets are one of my most favorite blankets in the whole wide world. They're from a company called Heartfelt Blankets. I'll link her down below. And she is as sweet as can be. This poor lady, she has had seven open heart surgeries. So she started this company making these blankets. She makes them herself and sews them and everything to pay for all of her medical bills. And to meet her, you would never know that she has had 7 open heart surgeries. She doesn't let life get her down. She's always happy. She's always positive, and she's super sweet. And if you're in the market for a really nice blanket, and it's a really great weight too, especially for summer. It's not too heavy, not too thick. It's a really nice, you can kind of see through it a little bit, blanket. They're oh so soft. They wash super great in the washing machine. I wash mine, I put it in the dryer, and they come out absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I'll link her down below. They make great gifts. I absolutely love these. If my friends jump on, they'll tell you I've sent them for Christmas and birthdays. Everybody gets a Heartfelt blanket because they're my favorite, and it's a good cause. 7 open heart surgeries. Would you not shop for somebody like that? I feel like I should definitely do that. So had to add to my collection, and it's so soft. I love it. Okay, so we have the blanket. So I also got this. It's a cute little card holder. It's pink. This is Do What Makes You Happy. It was $2, and it was by a company called Think Happy Thoughts. I will link them in the description box below. I think they're on Instagram, and you can put like whatever card you want inside. So they're super cute, so you can like stand a card or a picture or like whatever you want. Oh, sorry, the card was $2 and the card holder was $3. So if you just want the card holder, it's only $3. And you could, like I said, you could put a picture in there, you could put a card in there. I thought that was super cute to like put on my desk or to gift. This is from a company called Mountain Timber. They are super great gals. They're super sweet. So I got this, and actually it's going to be part of the Bumblebee collab giveaway. It is a really cool, she hand cuts and carves these, daffodil. And I also have to go with it the green and yellow embroidery floss. So you can embroider your daffodil with the green on the bottom and the yellow on the top, because bumblebees, without the bumblebees, we wouldn't have any flowers. So I thought that was super cool. So that will be in my Bumblebee collaboration giveaway in August. So look out for that. And then also, I got a gift card in my swag bag, because the first 50 people in line every morning, you get a swag bag full of goodies. And there was a $10 gift card to a store called Locals. They have one in Logan, Utah. So after the market, my mom and I went, and I picked up with my $10 gift card this gorgeous Bumblebee hand towel. That will be in the Bumblebee collaboration giveaway that I will be doing with those fabulous ladies in August. So be on the lookout for that. So that I got for free because it was only $8.99, and I had a $10 gift certificate. So if it's free, it's for me. Okay, so moving on. I also got one of my other favorite companies. It's called Sparrow Candle Company. She makes these delicious wax melts that I put in my Scentsy warmer. This one is called Volcano Island. This one smells, if you've ever been to Anthropologie and smelled their volcano candle, that's what this one smells like. It's absolutely divine. So it comes like in a little pouch here, and it has the cubes. So you just pop out a cube or two and put it in your warmer, and it makes your house or your room smell fantastic. I love it. They're super great. And they also sell, obviously they sell candles too, if you're into candles. I just like the wax melts because I put them in my Scentsy warmer. So I'll put them down below. Let's see what else we got here. So one of my other, these are like all my favorite companies. Like every time I go to Vintage Market Days, I shop the same people over and over again. This one is called Blush and Bloom. They have wonderful bath stuff. My mom loves their bath salts, but I picked up this lemon drop body butter. Y'all, it smells like a lemon cupcake. Like, it smells so good. Like, I put it on, like, the first day I went, because I go for all 3 days. So the first day I put some on, and I was driving home. I kept, like, smelling my arm as I was driving, and I'm like, I smell like a lemon cupcake. So I had to go back, and I had to buy the lemon drop body butter. It smells amazing. It's rich. It's creamy. It's fantastic. But if you also like the volcano fragrance from, like, Anthropologie, their main fragrance is called Blush. Smells like volcano from Anthropologie. So they have lots of different fragrances. Blush is one of my favorites, my go-to, but this lemon drop, if you want to smell like a lemon cupcake, this is for you. They also sell bath salts, which my mom loves. She loves her bath salts. She gets them and she stocks up until the market in the fall in September. So like I said, I'll put them down below if you want some fantastic body goodies for when you're in the bath. And speaking of body goodies, I have a thing for goat's milk. So this is from Bumble Goat Soap, Bumble Goat Soap from Bumble Goat Company. And it is a goat soap. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. Like, it just smells just rich and earthy and just super cool. And I love goat's milk soap. They're really good. They're all natural. They're good for you. They don't have all those harsh chemicals in them. And they're also great for gifting. So I picked up one of those. I think that's it for bath stuff. So moving on to the last category, jewelry. And you guys, jewelry, 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 jewelry. I love these companies. Like I said, I shop with them all the time. So one of the first things I want to show you, and I already took them out of the packaging because I've worn them already, are these gorgeous earrings from Wild North Design in Manaway, Utah. Like, look at how gorgeous that is. They are laser cut wood earrings that I absolutely love. So they're super lightweight. Like you can kind of tell they're not thick, so they're not gonna like weigh your ear down. I will put them in the description box below. They actually have this all new style that they did from their trip to Europe. So they have some new patterns that are inspired by architecture pieces that they saw while they were traveling abroad. Another pair of awesome earrings is from Opal Company. These gorgeous wood hoops that don't weigh much, but they're big and awesome. She also makes the most gorgeous hand beaded earrings. Please go check her out. All these companies, when you go check them out, if you decide to shop with them or follow them on Instagram, please let them know One Crafty Ginger sent you, because like I just want them to know that I'm sharing the love of them and how much I love them. But if you want like hand beaded gorgeous earrings, they're kind of pricey, but like I said, they're hand beaded, they're stunning. Definitely go check out Opal Company. And they also she also has these really cute fun wood ones too. And then last but certainly not least is Vibe Company jewelry. I love them. This is one of their necklaces here, but I picked up, they also have beautiful stones. I have so many other stones, but I don't have them in front of me, but I have a collection. So I got another beaded necklace here that has this really cool like steer head on it. So look at how cool that is. So I have that, and they also, what did I put? They also have like charms that you could put with your jewelry. So like there's this one, like this little arrow piece. And then this one is absolutely gorgeous too. And then also, if you like stones, they have so many amazing stones. My daughter bought several jade stones from her because my daughter loves jade. It helps to calm her down when she's out and about, and like it really helps her out. So if you're into like stones and like their properties and like chakra and all that, Vibe Jewelry Company or Vibe Company is definitely for you. I will link them down in the description box too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Vintage Market Days haul. I hope you enjoyed all the goodies. Sorry, I'm trying to find my remote. Comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. What did I find that you really like and that you would look for if you're going out shopping? I'd love to hear that. As always, please comment down below. Comment. I'm tired. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Smash that subscribe button. If you want to be part of my YouTube family, I appreciate each and every one of you. Definitely keep an eye out. I will have that 700 subscriber giveaway popping up randomly. You never know where it's going to come, what video it's going to be in. So keep your eyes out. You don't want to miss it. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you have a great day, and until next time, goodbye.